So Celeste, who do you think is going to win the game today?
I think Como probably 1-0.
Oh, okay. So tight prediction there from little Celeste. Okay, let's see how you go. Thanks, Celeste.
I'd say, yeah, really tight. 1-0 at the end. Yeah, that's my prediction.
And first goal scorer?
Bronte. I'm thinking Molly, first goal scorer.
Oh yeah, they're going that way. Go big man! Go big man, jump off! Oh yeah! Jump
To the rescue. Great stuff, Monty.
Again!
Good job!
Offside.
Go left! I have a crack to you!
That's it. It's all over.
Maddie, Jess, this is for you. This is for you. Well done, girls. Look forward to getting your medal.
Maddie, Jess, we did it for you. We freaking won it.
The selfie hug. We did beat those bunch of cheats.
Good?
Yeah, I think Alicia was really good.
She was. She was a legend. Thank you so much.
Oh, I was waiting for this game for like ages because they always tie with us, they always beat us, so that was just amazing. We love you, Maddie! Thanks for getting us here! Woo!
These two teams definitely deserve to be the grand finalists.
Yeah.
You see it all the time. Well done.
Grace. Well done, Grace.
Gracie! Go the Phantom!
Alex.
Yeah, Alex!
Gracie. Marissa. Polly. Elena. Sienna. Talia. Sam.
Go, Sammy! Go, Sammy!
Erin. Our fantastic keeper, Lishi. Now before I invite our captain up as well, there's two other players that couldn't be with us today. They've already left to go back to the US. That was Maddie and Jess, who were absolutely brilliant with us at the World Cup. So last but not least, our captain, Bronte.
Before I get the scene to go, I guess I'm waiting to...
I thought it was a really good game. Very good game.
Chloe?
Yeah, it was.
Very good game, very intense.
I think Alicia
Love to
did.
see the team coming together as a unit.
Yes.
Everyone, all the parents, the girls, we just want to thank Sally and Sarah for...
Awesome year. It's been an absolutely awesome year to come from not having a team at the start of the year to winning the grand final.
Yeah!
Girls, I'm just really glad I could be part of it with you. Thank you very much.
Wait, say when? I put my
When?
When?
Oh, nice. Nice.
Great goal. Well taken.
Great goal.